Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use BeforePay. So let's get into our video here. So as you may know, BeforePay is just a lending service that gives you access to your credit based on a portion of your salary before your payday. So it's pretty cool and helpful for you. So what you're going to do here is just some brief advantages of BeforePay. So if you look at BeforePay, so what happens is that BeforePay you can access to your pay so in advance, like before your payday. So if you are in a need or anything, that's it's pretty common that something pops up, so we might need some funds, so you can use BeforePay to get your pay to get an advance in your pay through BeforePay. So and also it's free to sign up. So BeforePay is a free app and it's free to sign up, and there is no interest or hidden cost around it. So it's only a fixed 5% transit fee is applicable so for your transaction, and that's it. There's no other fees. So let's get further into the video. So how does this work? So how does BeforePay works? So let's get into it. So firstly, what you can do, you can just download the app. So if you go to Google, your Play Store or your Apple Store, and then we can just download the app. So I just downloaded mine here, so BeforePay. So just download your app, and once you've downloaded your app, so I'm going to open up mine here. So when you open up your app, so you'll have this option to either log in or to create an account. So for example, let me log out. Okay, so all right, you'll see this screen here. So you could either create your account or log in. So as I said earlier, it's a free app and it's free to sign up. So if you have not created an account yet, so just click on create my account. All you need is an email address and a phone number for verification. So if you have that, just plug all these details and then get it, and then you can create your account. So for example, I just created my account, so I will just log in instead of creating a new account. So I'll just log in. All right, so I just logged into my account, mine. So once you log in, or once you've just sign up for your account, you've created your account, you'll see something like this here. So now what we have to do here is so now that we have the app and we have created our account, so next thing is we need to connect our bank account. So connect the account that way your salary or your pay goes into. So connect that bank account with this BeforePay. So what happens is that Afterpay, once you connect it, then Afterpay will access your salary details, and then they will sort of like work out on how much they can calculate how much is your limit, your cash limit or the advance limit they can provide based on your spendings and also your salary. So because it needs to be affordable for you to repay as well. So in that way, so firstly what you're going to do, just create your bank account. So for example, if I go there, let's go create my bank account. Yep, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So you must, yes, and there's a condition here, you must earn at least $300 per week, and a 50% of more of your income must come from an employer. All right, so click on continue, confirm and continue, and then here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose my bank and add in my bank details here. So I'll just choose that, and then I'm going to do this step here where I'm going to provide all my banking details here. So just provided my bank details, and it's connecting to my bank. So this might take probably like 3 to 5 minutes, so it might take a while. So don't skip your XCD application, and we'll just wait. I'm just waiting for it to complete the process. All right, so once your bank account has been connected, so you'll see something like this. So you'll see that that BeforePay will have access to your bank account, and then would have gathered your spendings details and everything from your bank. So that we would have synced with your bank, and then there you will see all your spendings and all your financial information here. So that's fine. And then what you can do next is if you need a cash out or something like that, if you need some cash in advance before your payday or something, so you can simply go to this cash out option here. So this is your insights here. So it just a rough summary of your spendings and everything, your earnings and spendings which is gathered through your bank account. So, and also if you want to get a cash out, click on the cash out option here, and then here is where if you have provided, so as I said earlier, you need to provide your banking details based on which bank your salary gets into. So based on that, so you can go to cash out and then claim for a specific amount or an advance of your payday before your payday, and then bank. So once you apply for it, so just go to cash out and then claim for it, and then BeforePay will assess your claim, and then they will provide you with the advance that you asked for, or the advance that they can afford you. So that's thing. So you can use that, and this repayment can be set up in a way, automatic repayments can be set up based on your pay cycle, on your payday, so they can sync that so that you don't have issues with the repayments. So that will be they will be automatically deducted. So you can set that up. So you can use this cash out option to do that. It's like I don't actually have a direct income, so I mean a direct income I didn't provide my direct income details from my bank, so because I'm just doing this video for a demo, so I didn't do that. So if you should see all these details here, so you can use that if you provide your details, then you can do the cash out options. And then apart from these cash out options, so what else you can do from through this app here is that it can help you with smart budgeting. All right, so what happens is that it can sync with your spending if you provide information about your spendings. Yeah, so if you can give details about your spendings, so what happens that they can help you track your spendings and help you stay on top of how much you spend on bills or any other utilities, something like that. So that's if you go to this budget option here, so you'll see this budget option. So what happens here, so you can set up your budget, and then you can so you mention all your information, all your budget details, your spending, everything. You can mention it here. So you can just choose here, so how you want to set it up. So let's say your pay cycle is weekly, and then you're starting from today, or so any date here. Click on next, and then here you can add in all your spendings and everything. So you can just add in and then add the amount. So like give as much as information possible, and then hit on confirm my budget, and this Before app will actually analyze your information, and then they will provide you with a budget that you can stick on it, or if you don't feel, or you can also make adjustments to it, and you can use those budget to help you with your finance. Okay, and then what happens, so once it analyzes your spendings and incomes based on your information that you just provide, the app will also help you weigh areas where you're spending, or where you spend, or suggestions where you can make improvements with your spending on your budget that's tailored to your pay. All right, so like it shows the areas where you are spending your money on, and suggests where you can make improvements with a budget that's tailored your pay, so which will be pretty helpful for us to budget to make your budget in the future. So that's another good feature of this app here. So that's one option here. And then you have your profile here, where you can edit your profile options here, or you can if you need any help, you can access the help and support team here. So these are the basic things that you can do with BeforePay, how you can use it to help you with your finance. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.